Hello and welcome back, folks. Today we're making this Burmese beef and potato curry, which is slow cooked for maximum flavour. It is spicier than usual Burmese curries, which tend not to use so many spices for flavouring, but it's still easy to make. It also pairs nicely with butter rice, which I'll also show you how to make. So if you're ready, let's go. Place 2 pounds of diced beef into a mixing bowl and add in 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric. Get your kitchen gloves on if you don't want your hands stained and mix thoroughly. Leave to marinate for 1 hour. In a large casserole dish, heat up 70 milliliters of sunflower oil. Add 2 finely diced onions, 5 cloves of crushed garlic, and a piece of crushed ginger. Cook the onions for about 5 minutes until they become soft and translucent. Add in the beef and the spices. The spices are 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of ground coriander, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of ground cardamom. Cook the beef for about 10 minutes until it turns brown. Add 500 milliliters of water and let it simmer for 1 hour without a lid until it has reduced. After 1 hour, add in 4 peeled and chopped potatoes and continue cooking for a further 30 minutes or until the potatoes are cooked. To finish off the beef curry, stir in 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves. Now to make the butter rice. Wash and clean 2 cups of long grain rice. Melt 75 grams of butter in a pan. Add a handful of cashew nuts, a handful of sultanas, add in the washed rice, 1 teaspoon of palm sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You can optionally add in turmeric powder if you want your rice to be yellow. Stir the rice well into the melted butter. Add enough water into the pan to cover the rice plus 1 centimeter above. Bring the water up to a boil, stirring occasionally. When the water starts to boil, turn down the heat and cook with the lid on for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the water should have been absorbed and you can turn off the heat. Fluff the rice using a spatula and recover the pan. The rice will continue to cook in its own steam for a further few minutes. Serve the rice and curry together while hot. Placing it on a banana leaf will make the experience seem more exotic and makes for a great YouTube thumbnail. Thanks for watching, folks. Any questions, let me know, and see you next time.